All right, engineering class. I hope you are ready for a big change. We thought a little bit about moving forward, and obviously with Governor Newsom's idea saying, "Hey, we may not be back anytime soon." Uh, I'm thinking that we need to change our course a little bit. And in the event that we do get back soon, we'll return to hands-on projects in both Principles of Engineering and IED. But it's looking very likely that we could be here, could be doing this remote learning for a very long time. Long story short is we are changing both engineering courses into what's going to be an introductory computer science introductory programming course, which still goes in line with engineering and CTE, or career and technical education. It's a great thing for everyone to have at least some basic knowledge of, seeing how we all use technology. And I want to get you started on it today. And we assume that you have very little to none or no experience with computer science. So we're going to start off easy, and then we'll be able to work kind of, in some regards, at our own pace and do things that are of more interest to us. So there is a little bit of leniency and flexibility in that. Anyways, what you should be looking at here on Friday after you're watching this video is our Google Classroom. And again, you're going to check that every day. Our objective for today, your first assignment that you'll get formative points for, is to be able to log into codehs.org, and I put the link right down here, and log in with your school Google account. I've already loaded up our Google Classroom, and you should have accounts ready and waiting for you, but you've got to be on your school account, and you're going to log in with Google. So if I click on this link, it'll tell you a little bit about how to do that. You're looking for something that says like this: log in with Google, and again, make sure you're on your school account when you're doing that. Once you're in there, you're going to then do a real basic first assignment. And I'll show you what that will look like, give you an idea. This is my screen for here, so it's going to be a little bit different for you. I'm going to look at the sections, and I'm going to pull up maybe just one section, Geno as an example. And the first thing you're going to do is Intro to CS, Computer Science JavaScript Pretest. So I'll open that up and open the module here. And these are the things I'd like you to do. And it really should be a very short assignment. Go back here. And we'll do it. Let's go. I think what we need to click. And it's going to talk about the pretest. First of all, none of this will be graded based on how well you do. I'm assuming that, a lot of us have very little experience with this to begin with, but it gives me some idea of what you know, sort of what you're able to do, and things like that. So you'll take that pretest. This one basically just says, hey, what do you think about this idea of computer science? Are you maybe kind of excited about it? Are you less excited about it? Be honest when you're filling that out. And once you've filled that out, you'll move forward. You'll take this little basic skills test. Now, some of these questions I think you'll find easier than others. Some of them I'm imagining, if you have never done any coding, you might get to a question like this and go, what is this? It's okay. Now, see if you can figure it out. But if you don't understand it and you don't get the question right, it's okay. Hit check and then send in the quiz when you are done. You'll be able to set that in. And again, you're going to miss some probably. That's okay. Check back on Friday, because on Friday we're going to begin working in actually building code and getting the computer to do what we want. But this will get you started. All right. And I said check back on Friday. Check back on Monday. This should be Friday's assignment. All right. All right, guys. I'll see you soon, hopefully.